Hello, good day. So today we're going to review S24 Plus. So right now S24 Plus is priced here in the Philippines. So naka-price siya ng 68,000, no? But we're able to manage to get one. But I will focus here sa gaming performance ng S24 Plus. As well the Antutu benchmark, yung kanyang updated benchmark. So, ito nga pala is not the 8 Plus Gen 3. This is the Eclipse version. So, we'll see here that it has a deca-core 10 cores with an Eclipse 940. So, Eclipse 940 GPU. So, we'll try to check the performance of Eclipse 940. Check natin yan. First of all, yung Antutu score niya, no? So, Antutu score right now is here. So, ang Antutu score niya is 1 million. So, 1.6 million around. So, 1,664,000. But we'll focus here in the GPU part. So, when you see, pag nakita niyo itong GPU, itong target na pag mataas ito, the higher the factor or the score, the good performance in gaming sa GPU mark niya. So, as my opinion, mataas to, no guys, 612,000 compared dun sa mga previous model like S22, S23. Ang S23 is around ang GPU niya is nasa 400,000 if I'm not mistaken, while the S22 is around 250,000-ish, 250-ish, ganun siya, no? But, mataas din ang overall performance niya sa processing ng CPU and memory process. So, ito is may UFS 4.0 na guys, kaya mas mabilis ang kanyang performance when it comes to the processing. Kasi updated na yung kanyang UFS o yung memory type. So, first game natin na itetest is ito, Mobile Legends, no? So, here we go, Mobile Legends. So, sa sound, surround lang sound niya, dual speaker. But, tingnan natin yung settings right now ng Mobile Legends. So, ang Mobile Legends natin is Ultra and High. So, wala pa siyang yung ultra din sa FPS since hindi pa masyadong compatible. Siguro, if I'm not mistaken, hindi pa masyadong compatible yung processor na to, no? Kasi bago to. So, this S24 series na-release lang this year, 2024. I think around May or somewhere in April na-release ang S24 series. So magwa 1 year pa lang siya, no? But sa mga process naman, when it comes to gaming, makikita nyo kung gaano ka-smooth. So, yung mga legend skills yan, mga transitions ng graphics, sobrang smooth naman siya, guys. Lalo na yung mga collector, yung mga legendary. Hanap tayo ng legendary. Eto, dito nyo siya makikita. Itong legendary nito, pag piniplay ito sa ibang phone, naglalag. But we'll see here, sobrang stable niya guys, no? Project Storm activated. Lalo na yung kay Alucard. Meron siyang skin dito na malag, pero tutest natin dito. So, ito yung skin niyang isa. So, sobrang vibrant din ng kanyang display because flagship to. So, meron siyang dynamic AMOLED screen, LTPO. So, sobrang ganda. So, maaasahan nyo pag nag-play kayo ng Mobile Legends dito, sobrang overkill. Mga 90 FPS o 60 FPS, kayang-kaya niya yan. So, another game na currently famous ngayon is laging maririnig, no? Is yung The Ragnarok. So, restart natin yung game. So, itong The Ragnarok, 2D lang naman ito, no? So, when it comes to The Ragnarok, kayang-kaya niya naman ito. But, meron din kasing factors here. So, may factors dito na pag maraming player, naglalag yung cellphone sa mga mid-range phone. So, test natin to sa maraming tao. For a lot of crowd in the town, tingnan natin kung maglalag siya. Na malakas yung sound niya. Pero yung mga graphics niya, test natin. Let's test here. So as of the moment, wala naman siyang lag. The Ragnarok naman is pag yung